Let me show you how to enable and disable restricted mode on both desktop and mobile. First off, with your account logged into YouTube, go up to the top right, click your account, and go down until you see restricted mode. Currently, mine is set to off. You can select this option, and it says here, this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting applies to this browser only. So, in order to activate the restricted mode, you just toggle this button on. Now, how do you tell it's on? You go back, go into restricted mode, and notice it's blue now, so it's activated. You can deactivate it by simply toggling again, and now it's off, or if you go back up top, you'll see that it says restricted mode off. Now let's do it on mobile. In the YouTube app on mobile, make sure to look down at the bottom right hand side, and you'll notice a icon that says You. Click on that to load the settings for your account or your channel. In here, you'll see things like history, playlists. What you want is on the top right hand corner, the cog button, which allows you to see settings. In settings, we want to select general, and then we want to scroll down until we see restricted mode. In restricted mode, we can toggle this on or off, depending on what you want. You'll know if the restricted mode is on by seeing the blue toggled on button versus restricted mode being off when it's gray and toggle to the left. Once you have your mode selected, you can click back on the general and exit out of the settings. And now restricted mode has been enabled or disabled depending on your settings. You can go to home and continue using the YouTube app as you like. If you need the ability to edit your videos in bulk, check out EditBulk.com for a free tool that allows you to change up all your titles and descriptions of your videos in bulk. I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.